So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my dear friends, this is a product from the house of Bajato, which is a double face lamp, part number SL-555. This is for BMC Commercials as per the application. But being a flat base and single bolt fitment, it can be used in any of the vehicles. There is a single bulb fitment, 21 watt bulb is used. It's a rubber housing, and here there is a reinforcement of ABS. We have a bolt of 8 mm, a nut, wires. This is a good quality lamp which can be used in BMC trucks and in various other type of trucks. For more details about this product, you can log on to our website www.bajato.com, or you can go to any of our social media handle on Facebook, on Insta, and you can check this out. Do like this video, subscribe to our channel, and keep checking out new videos every Saturday. We bring about magnificent lights, different lights for you. Be safe. Ciao.